Hi. So unfortunately, we all know that IRCTC is going to share its revenue profits for the convenience fee. So going forward, let's do a quick analysis कि इसके बाद क्या हो सकता है. आज जैसे हमारे जितने भी shareholders, I got a few queries from a few of my follower friends regarding how I see IRCTC and how it will react to the news. So of course, these are based on speculations. So please consult your financial advisor. But going forward, I can. So this is just a Fibonacci retracement, so you can see over a longer period of time this IRCTC was trading between the levels of 300 and 150 is after a split, and today it went towards 980 and जब ये 960 के ऊपर जा रही थी, the reason I wanted to book out my profits is because you can see that on these particular days it was unable to the high which was made was between 970, 960, 950. So of course today जब 960 के ऊपर गया, all the shares which I had, I actually totally booked out all my profits, and these were all created round about at 4,000. That's 800 levels, 820, 830 in this particular zone. So going forward, I think the stock can correct, and if we look into the Fibonacci retracement, I think one of the very interesting levels which we can see is the levels of 550 from here, and so I would definitely not be touching this particular whole zone even if it comes here and rebounds, until and unless हमारा strategy अभी भी वही same है. Until and unless we get a good closing above 1000, we are not going to be aggressive on IRCTC for short to medium term. So at least for the next 6 months, you can say till April, May, जब तक ये 1000 के ऊपर post split जब तक ये close नहीं देगी, we wouldn't be looking for longs. And of course, going forward, I think this particular support of 680, it will try to accumulate. It will just try to get some support here. And of course, कल देखना है opening कहाँ होती है. Even if we go for a 10% drop down from the closing price of 913, so we can actually expect some about maximum 820, 830 इस region में आएगी जहाँ पे आज open की थी. But I think there will be some series, and maybe let's look into how it goes. In general, I will definitely not be buying the dips which happen between the levels of 800 and 700 definitely, and also the levels of 650. So between 650 to 800 definitely यहाँ पे मैं कोई averaging नहीं करूँगा. If it is sustains and if it again goes and closes above 800, then again we will be rethinking our strategy. But going forward, I think one of the interesting zones we should be targeting right now is the levels of 550. और अगर 550 breach होता है, then eventually this will be really painful experience for most of the retailers, and then we would actually totally stop looking in IRCTC. And going forward, now this is normally this split will take 4 trading sessions for you to get all your shares, and theoretically let's see till then IRCTC कहाँ तक जाती है. So the video I wanted to post is just to let you know that many a times news like this is going to come. It doesn't matter whether it's a PSU or non-PSU. So there have been instances of whistleblowing in IRCTC, stake sales in multiple companies, HDFC, MCC for example. It was also moving good just in the recent times, and also so there are these are the risks which you have to know when you are participating in a market, and this is how the market goes, and this is how the market actually behaves. So the only thing which you can do is just to do a proper risk management. So in general, I want to showcase that for me levels of 550 and maybe 500 to 550, 530 ये zone में आके I want to see that there has to be some consolidation, and then we will see if it is able to take off. In general, if you are stuck, so right now the chances are it's always good. For me, it's not a problem because I'm going to hedge myself with options, and so basically it's not going to be a problem. But if you don't have that option and you don't have the capital, then I think the best thing would be to give some time, and maybe in few months you would be getting a zone in which it will start to consolidate, and then you can think about adding some more. And in general, if you're a long-term investor, so basically if your time horizon is 10 years, so basically these news are not going should not affect your trading and investing styles. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to help you and give you some confidence. In general, this is how the market works, so don't feel bad. This is how this is how things normally do happen. Thanks a lot for listening. Bye bye.